Okay, well this is showing the baseband of 368 megahertz, which is our IF, on our test setup, and now we have shifted over to using the unmodified SPC 10 gigahertz LNB. And I should explain that this frequency 368.330 is actually reference to the Santiago Peak beacon, which is at 10 gigahertz, 368 megahertz, 330 kilocycles. And the what's kind of nice about these SPC LNBs is they have a 10 gigahertz local oscillator. So you just subtract 10 gigahertz from your signal, and the intermediate frequency that exits this port is your intermediate frequency of 368 megahertz, 330 kilocycles, which is very easily looked at with an SDR block receiver. So, or any VHF, UHF scanner could probably look at that. So right now we're looking at it with the unmodified SPC low noise block converter, and we just don't see anything at all. We'll zoom in a little bit. Oops. And we'll tune. Let's go down in frequency. And we're just listening for carrier. The LNB's local oscillators are stable to a certain degree only, so there's always going to be a little bit of drift, and there'll be a little bit off frequency. So that's why we kind of want to scan our intermediate frequency, or IF, monitoring point, as each LNB will be slightly different. And by the way, this software has, you can see where it says shift and then minus 18,310. So this software allows you to kind of fine-tune your calibration of your frequency, which is kind of cool. So we're going up in frequency. Oop, did we hear something there? The other thing is, on the FFT waveform display here, we're not seeing any valid signals at all, which will be color coded. And let's keep going up in frequency. We're up about 33 kilohertz above the frequency we want to listen to. We'll go up to about 50. Okay. Well, nothing heard, nothing seen on the IF here, so we're gonna say that our unmodified LNB is too deaf to hear our Santiago beacon, which, if you look at it, that's what it's designed to do. It only goes down to 10 gigahertz, 950 megahertz, where you see RFN. And so my other one's been modified. It's probably got about 25, 26 dB of gain added, plus the horn antenna, maybe another 10 dB. So that got us out of the mud, so where we could hear the signal. So I'm going to shift back to the modified LNB and do a few more experiments.